In this video, we'll show you how to count unique values in Excel. A common task is finding how many unique values are in a list. Today, we'll look at how to do that using two simple functions, UNIQUE and COUNTA. First, open your Excel spreadsheet. Let's say we have a list of values in cells A1 through A10. These values can be numbers, text, or a mix of both. To find only the unique values from that list, click on an empty cell where you want the unique values to appear. Now, type this formula, =, unique, A1, A10. Then, press the Enter key. Excel will now show you only the values that appear once in the list. If any value appears more than once, Excel will display it just once in the result. Next, we want to count how many unique values there are in total. To do this, click on another empty cell and type this formula, COUNTA unique, A1, A10. Then, press Enter. This formula works in two steps. First, the unique function creates a list of all unique values from A1 to A10. Then, the COUNTA function counts how many values are in that list. Now, you will see a number. That number tells you how many unique values were in the original list. Keep in mind that the unique function is available in Excel 365 and Excel 2019. If you're using an older version of Excel, you may not have access to it. That's it for this tutorial. Thanks for watching.